Welcome back everyone. Today I've had my delivery come, and to be fair, I'll do a tiny bit in this video because there's quite a few people mentioning it on the group pages at the minute. Now, I've purchased a new head unit for my car, one with a complete fascia this time, as my original one in the car at the minute is an Extron. It's even 2 years old, but it's got a line down the centre now, so it's still functional, but it's just bugging up the line there, so I'll purchase a new one today. So before we get inside the box and stuff like that, I just want to point out a few things first. Now, obviously the main ones that people go for are the Sakane brand, if that's how you pronounce it. And the only things with them, they're very hard to find because a lot of them 1GB RAM models, which a lot of people do use, but I've heard a few people saying you can't multitask on them, like have the music player and the sat nav on at the same time. So ideally you want a 2GB RAM. Now the only places where you can really purchase them are the world buying sites, as I call them, like AliExpress, Wish.com. Now it's alright buying from there, but there's always that high chance that you might have to pay import tax charges and stuff like that, so it's not really worth it. And the main website, once you add the delivery on top, which I think is like £25, you're talking nearly 200 quid basically, so there's a lot of brands you can get for a lot less than that. For example, the Extrons, which is 180 quid on eBay and Amazon at this time, on, well, when this gets released probably. So yeah, so ideally I went for two other brands. Now before I go into it, there's basically a reason why I went for this one rather than the Doosan model, because when I was watching a video review on that one and the pictures, I couldn't find any RCA cables. Now the reason why I wanted that is because my current unit set up at the minute, I can't use my original aux, and I've got an external DAB player, which I recommend because on these Chinese units the DAB built-in is absolutely shite. So just get yourself a pure highway and you're sorted then. But as I was mentioning, I need an aux for it to run properly, so I use an RCA cable with an adapter so I can connect my aux to that, because I think I use my aux for the microphone, I believe. So with the Doosan I couldn't find nothing to say that it comes with those wires. That's why I went for the Ulcit, I think you pronounce it, Ulcit Android unit, whatever it's called. But yeah, I know it's got good reviews on Amazon. So yeah, we'll get inside what's in the box. Now it's worth pointing out, if Amazon's still got the offer on, but if you sign up for their credit card, you get £20 knocked off it, which works at the same price as a 1GB RAM model. Now ideally I didn't want the credit card, but literally I just signed up for it, got a £20 voucher and then cancelled it straight away. But I didn't exactly click confirm either, so technically I never really signed up for it, but I still got the voucher. So it's worth pointing that out. So now some of the reviews say that you don't get instructions with it, which I can vouch for that now, because obviously I think what you do is get basic instructions like that, time setting, Bluetooth. There's no actual installation, but then again it's quite simple to install anyhow. Certificate, I suppose, of warranty. Microphone, which is useful because not many people give you that. In here you've got your GPS, USB, obviously your RCA cable which I wanted, and a few other external speakers, like your subwoofers and stuff like that. Now that's your main one, which you connect into the original Ford wiring loom. And obviously the main screen. Obviously I ordered one in black, so they don't really stand out from the carbon fibre too much. It tends to blend in a little bit better rather than a silver. But that's it. So quite a big screen. Looks more like a factory finish rather than my old one, which is just got like loose bits around the side. But yeah, very nice unit. I'll definitely be getting this installed in the next couple of days. I'll probably do another review probably a few weeks later to see how it runs basically. So yeah, that there. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll get this installed the next few days as soon as possible and upload that one.